Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're into DIY builds or just love the idea of crafting something solid with your own two hands, then you know clean joints make or break a project. Today, we're diving into the Milescraft DowelJig Kit, a compact little system that promises to make dowel joinery way less intimidating. Now, I've tried clamps, brackets, even pocket holes, but there's something satisfying about using real wooden dowels for strong, invisible connections. The problem? Getting those holes lined up perfectly by hand is a total nightmare. That's where this $21 tool steps in, aiming to take the guesswork out of precision without needing a full shop setup. I've been putting it through its paces on real builds. No fluff, no script, just honest testing. We'll look at how it handles, where it falls short, and whether it's worth a spot in your gear lineup. Let's see if this budget-friendly jig can actually deliver pro-level results. Alright, so I'll be honest, I've always kind of avoided doweling. It just seemed like one of those precision woodworking things that required a ton of patience and a perfectly aligned garage setup. But when I needed to build a couple of wooden shelves for my room and wanted them to actually look clean and professional, I figured it was time to give it a real shot. That's when I picked up the Milescraft DowelJig Kit. At $21, it was an easy decision, super affordable, especially for someone like me who's still learning the ropes. The fact that it comes with everything you need, bushings, drill bits, glue, depth collars, was a huge win. I didn't have to go hunting for extra bits or accessories. Just grab your drill, clamp down your boards, and you're pretty much ready to go. It's definitely beginner-friendly, which really helped me feel confident jumping in even though I've got only basic carpentry skills. One of the standout features for me is how it self-centers. You just twist the handle and the little guide pins automatically find the center of your board. Sounds small, but man, it makes a difference when you're trying to keep things square without a fancy jig setup. I used it on some hickory boards for a shelf project, and after about 30 minutes, reading the instructions and getting the hang of it, I had everything drilled and glued together. The alignment was solid and honestly, the finished shelf looked way better than I expected. Like, someone could have thought I knew what I was doing. The 3 different bushing sizes, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch, gave me options depending on the joint, and I appreciated that flexibility. Whether you're joining table legs or just reinforcing a bookshelf, having those options built into one tool is super convenient. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not all perfect. Like any handheld tool at this price point, there's a little bit of play. I noticed a bit of slop when using the 1/4 inch bit, especially if I wasn't extra careful with my positioning. The jig itself is compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to handle, but also means it can shift a little if you're not clamping it or holding it dead still. And speaking of clamps, this thing doesn't come with any, and the shape makes it kinda tricky to clamp down securely. I ended up using a couple of extra hands and a lot of patience, but it would have been nice if it had some built-in fixing points or even came with small clamps. I also learned the hard way that dropping it isn't a great idea. One time it slipped off my workbench and 2 of the alignment pins snapped. Bummer. But hey, kudos to Milescraft for having great customer support. I reached out, and they sent a replacement no questions asked. That kind of service? That makes up for a lot. That said, for the kind of projects most people like me are doing, DIY furniture, quick repairs, or weekend builds, it absolutely gets the job done. I used it on a rocking chair project not too long after, and while it took a bit of trial and error to nail the precision, the final joints turned out strong and clean. You just have to take your time and maybe test on a scrap piece first. The drill bits included are decent, nothing high-end, but they work fine for softwoods and even harder stuff like hickory, as long as you go slow and keep them cool. The depth collars are simple but effective, and they stay put if you tighten them properly. I'll admit, the plastic body feels a little flimsy compared to metal jigs I've seen, and the fence for spacing holes is kinda light duty. But for the price? I'm not mad. It works, and that's what I care about. I think where this jig really shines is for beginners or casual weekend warriors. If you're someone who only uses dowels occasionally, you're not going to want to spend $100 on a heavy-duty jig. This is perfect for that "I need it now and I don't want to overthink it" vibe. It simplifies what could be a frustrating process and makes doweling way less intimidating. The instructions are straightforward, the setup is quick, and once you get the rhythm of aligning and drilling, it actually becomes kind of satisfying. There's something cool about seeing those perfectly spaced holes line up and knowing your joint's gonna be solid. And for $21, you're getting a full ecosystem: bits, guides, glue, everything. That's rare. So, bottom line, the Milescraft DowelJig Kit isn't going to win any awards for industrial durability or absolute precision. But it's reliable, easy to use, and delivers solid results when you take the time to set it up right. It's helped me step up my woodworking game without stepping on my wallet. Yeah, the build quality has its limits, and you've got to be careful not to drop it or expect CNC level accuracy, but for DIY projects around the house, it's a legit tool that earns its spot in the toolbox. I'd recommend it to anyone just starting out or looking for a no-fuss way to make strong, clean joints. Just keep some scrap wood handy, double-check your measurements, and don't rush it. Do that, and you'll be surprised what you can pull off. If you're ready to nail your next DIY build, literally, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. Whether you're joining boards or just leveling up your skills, I've got your back with real talk and zero fluff. Let's build something awesome together, one sturdy joint at a time.